having noodles and egg in Japan, California.
What kind of noodles are you eating?
We're eating
Stir-fry noodles.
stir-fried noodles in Japan.
You want to show this to people? This is how it looks like.
In Japan.
It's an Indonesian stir-fry noodles.
We eat noodle in Japan.
With a egg in it.
Yeah, with an egg. Yeah.
Is it good?
Good.
Is
Noodle Dan, we can find egg coffee.
Oh, egg coffee after noodles sounds great. Is it spicy?
Yeah, spicy. I'm eating.
Do you like spicy? Do you like spicy? Do you like it spicy?
It does. Yeah.
It's delicious. I love it.
Delicious.